Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I hope everybody is having an amazing day. I'm so grateful and thankful for this weekend, guys. So today's menu, guess what we are going to make today? Yeah, we are going to be making authentic Ghana Akeky. Yeah, I had so many requesting for this recipe. So finally, OBAAPA, I am having something the obey. Yeah, so guys, I have the recipe on this side right here. So we are going to be making Ghana Akeky or Akeky. They have so many names. I remember growing up in Ghana, I used to call it Akeky because I couldn't mention that Akeky was, you know, a hard. It was so hard for me to mention it. Anyway, so we are going to be making Ghana Akeky. So as you can see, I have my ingredients right here. So first of all, we are going to be using Yuca roots, okay? Cassava. In Ghana we call it cassava. So I have fresh Yuca roots right here. I have 3 pieces, and I have my chicken thigh on this side. If you don't have chicken, you can use fish. Doesn't matter. Any meat will go. And also I have my vegetable right here. I have some diced green pepper and yellow pepper, and have diced red onion in the middle. Yeah. Alright, so now for my seasoning, I have salt at the back. I got some olive oil, an ounce of olive oil. I have my Aniseed, onion powder, ginger powder, dash, Oregano, Cayenne Pepper. Yeah, so this is gonna be all my spice for this recipe. So guys, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Let's get started. Now guys, like how we always do it, okay, I have my blender right here on this side. This is my smoothie blender. It is very big size for smoothie blender, okay? If you don't have that, you can use your normal blender. That is totally fine. Okay, so we are going to peel this cassava, cut it into pieces, and then we're going to blend it like we make the gari. Remember? Yeah, this is how we are going to do it. Cassava or yuca root is freshly peeled or washed. We are going to cut it into pieces. If you have like a blender, you can use it, you know, to make it easier, but I like mine this way. Hey, Akeky3 or Akeky3, but hey, if you miss mama made Akeky. I'm not my meal when you are measured. And then me, I may yummy dear. I may yummy dear. So, guys, you can learn how to make it too. Now I have all my yuca or cassava in my blender. This is very good, so I am going to add about a half cup of water, and then I am going to put it here. It's gonna be like that way. When you blend it and it gets thicker, add more water because you're going to strain it anyway. And so I am going to close this, and then we are going to blend it, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how this looks. Alright guys, so now this is how it look after I blend it. Okay, you want this kind of consistency. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, you want to blend it like, you see, like gari, and this is what you need. have my bake right here, my bowl. So like how we normally do it, I'm gonna lay my net, or if you have a better strainer, you can use it. I like this way better because this one, it strains more and faster than the regular strainer. And then if you use the regular strainer, it doesn't strain all the way. So I recommend that you do this overnight, okay? Because you wanna get a dry stuff right here. So I'm adding all the paste in here, okay? And then we are going to strain it like the one that we did for the gari. Same thing. As a tapioca. In Ghana, I remember growing up as a child, my mom used to iron uniform. This one, the liquid, the starch. My mom always used it to iron clothes, and my dad as well. This stuff here is very good too. So now this is how it looks. It still feels wet, so I'm going to strain it or squeeze it one more time to get all those water out. And then guys, after I'm done, I am going to leave it for overnight to sit. Okay, so that's what I am going to do. Alright guys, so it's been morning right now. So this is the following day, and I have my Akeky right here. Okay, so I'm going to take it out and see how it looks so far. Actually, it looks very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this into pieces. Oh, this is perfect. This is absolutely gorgeous. Here I have a little bit of oil inside, so I am going to add my chicken. This is the chicken thigh. If you don't like chicken thigh, you can use our chicken breast, you can use beef, you can use our fried fish. Just use any meat of your choice, okay? So now I'm gonna add my chicken. So basically this is chicken stir fry, and then I am going to add the seasoning. Dash, a half teaspoon, onion powder, ginger powder, your half teaspoon, Aniseed, this powder, paprika, oregano, and this spice, they are all healthy. So some salt, it's a pinch of salt to taste. I'm gonna give it a good stir, and this chicken is smelling nice. Chicken here too, papa. Hey, stir fry there, and then easy. And then after can it back up, papa. Back up, papa. Guys, this is so easy, very nice recipe, very simple recipe. When you are at home, make it. Now dear would be a shady when you give. So if you are there and you are at home, you have the time, just feel free and make some, because this is really nice. And then the reason why I'm using the chicken thigh, this chicken thigh cooks faster. Alright guys, so now I have my vegetable, my beautiful colorful vegetable right here. I'm going to add it. And just added the chicken, so they all can cook evenly. Yeah, guys, the smelling of this is nice. Very, very. Alright guys, so now our stir fry is done. It's been cooking for about 25 minutes so far. Everything is very cooked through. So now this part is done, so let's move forward to the Akeky. Yes guys. Alright guys, so right now I have hot water in a pan on the stove. So I'm going to use this hot water to cook the Akeky. Alright guys, so this is perfect. It's about to boil, so I'm going to add my Akeky right here like that. The reason why I'm using the water to boil is because I don't want it to turn out to be gari, and we want to cook this a halfway. Okay, yes, we want to cook this Akeky in a halfway. So if you put it straight to the fire, it's going to turn to gari, and we're not making gari. Okay, so make sure you use hot water, okay, to cook it. Anyway, so guys, I am going to add some salt. So I have my salt right here. So depending the amount of Akeky that you're going to be making, yeah, I'm adding my salt on this side. And then we're gonna gradually stir until it cooked halfway. Okay, not all the way through, halfway. Alright guys, so now it's been cooking for about, let's say 10 minutes, you know, so it's looking very nice. So at this moment I'm going to add my olive oil on this side. This one is like an ounce bottle, so I'm going to add that, and then give it a good stir. This olive oil is gonna keep the Akeky moist, you know, since it's almost cooked. Yeah, and I don't want it to be too dry, so that's why I added the olive oil. You can add any healthy oil of your choice. Yeah. So our Akeky is finally done. Look at how beautiful and tasty this looks, guys. The consistency is just perfect. I love it. It's soft, it's moist, it's tasty, guys. This is how we make Ghana Akeky or Ateche or Akeky. Name it, guys. Okay, so what to go with this? I have my beautiful stir fry right here that can go with this dish. On this side I have some hot pepper. If you like spicy, you need this hot pepper, it can go as well. And also I have my chili sauce, that is shito, that can go with that as well. So with this you make a very delicious and perfect recipe for your family. This is how I make my authentic delicious Ghana Akeky. So I hope you guys try this recipe and I hope you enjoy it. This is very, very easy, very simple to make. Everybody can make it. It's just amazing. It's just delicious. Look at it, guys. It's a perfect meal for your lunch or for your dinner or for your breakfast. Everything goes. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you are a new subscriber, I say thank you so much. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys try this recipe and try. Let me know what you guys think. leave me a comment and let me know how yours turn out. I'll see you on my next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed weekend.